how to buy MIRA, the MIRA token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before that, go and check their X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Go and check it. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to coin. Just go and open the token from there. Now, after that, go to contract and copy this token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, the best choice to buy this kind of token is by going to Phantom Wallet and buy it from there. Now, after you open your Phantom Wallet, just click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your Phantom Wallet. Now, click here and paste the token address, as you can see, and this is our token. Let's just click on it. Now, here, enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. From here, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Now make sure to read all of this information and click on swap, so they will redirect you to the Jupiter provider to complete the buy process. If you face any issues in your buy process, that go back and switch the slippage from here. Now you are ready to go and buy this token without any problem. So this is how to buy the MIRA token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.